I want to do a quick overview so that everybody's on the same page here. So, just want to say this. So, the way that shopping on the internet in the United States works is 55% of all online searches start at the Amazon search bar. And so, essentially, if people are looking on the internet for a product, they're going to Amazon. And what makes it so great compared to everywhere else on the internet is that it has a 74% conversion rate among Prime members, which is bananas because the average conversion is 3.32% for most e-commerce websites. So when people are coming here, they're ready to buy. They're not searching for to solve problems. They know what their problem is and they're looking for the solution, and that's why it's so powerful. And even among non-Prime members, it's 13%. And there's over 100 million Prime members in the US. You selling products on the internet in the United States, you got to be on Amazon. So there's 562 million products on Amazon. That was earlier this year. It's probably a lot more. A lot of people think that's like, oh no, there's no room for more. There's plenty of room for more. And you guys will learn throughout this course how we find those good opportunities. But with 562 million products, Amazon, it's like, what's the problem? So when somebody looks up a word, how do they decide what to show? Well, it's pretty easy. This is literally it. So what sells? What sells? So, but what do you mean what sells? Well, what sells? When people look up pet gloves, Amazon says, well, when people look up pet gloves, what are the best selling products for pet gloves? And that's pretty much as simple as it goes at the end of the day. There's some other factors, but this is pretty much 90% of everything that the way the Amazon algorithm works. It's just what's the best selling stuff. They give a new chance to the new products, and you guys will learn everything about how to launch products and whatnot throughout it. So why does it show what sells the best? Because the main concept with Amazon is that customers are the number one important thing. That's how they built their entire platform, is by being the best, the most customer-centric business in the world, and they do always and just everything to make the customer happy. That's why if you've ever used Amazon, you love it. So by doing this, by showing the ones that people are most likely to buy when they search, that's good, because when people are looking for something, they're coming there to buy something. So they obviously want to show what sells the best. And so we'll show you how to find good products and the right ways to do it. But one other concept to quickly note here is that people look through keywords, as we mentioned before, okay? So what is a keyword? Essentially, what a keyword is this will be used throughout the course, is just basically what are people typing in. So like pet glove is a search term technically, and it consists of two keywords, pet and glove. So when I use keyword throughout the course, I might be saying this as the keyword, but I also, search terms are essentially basically multiple keywords put together, but basically it's not that big of a difference when I use keywords. Just think of what people are typing in. And the only time it gets a little bit different is when we're making a listing, but you don't need to worry about any of that right now. So everybody's going on Amazon and they're looking through keywords. Everybody goes to Amazon to buy. So there's a lot of products on there. What our main goal is to find where there's these good markets and opportunities to go into. So what we do though, to do that is we use product research tools and some other tools. So basically what I use throughout the course, you'll see me using Helium 10 and Viral Launch. Those are my favorite tools. What do? They allow us to see the sales. So we can go to if we type in a search term or a keyword, I'll be saying those synonymously, essentially, we can go and it shows the products that show up for it. And then this will tell us how much each one is selling. So this is per month. Yep. So that's how that works. The same thing with Viral Launch. It shows the same thing. These are different things that I typed in here. Actually, I just pulled them off Google. I'm not going to lie. Anyways. Yeah, so the other thing that they do is they help us find products, and that's what's kind of cool. So once you guys learn criteria of what to look for, or you already know what you're looking for, these help us, kind of expand out and see, okay, well, I want a product in, kind of this category that meets these kind of needs. That's what the product finders are for. And then we want to see the keyword volume. So basically, since we've determined Amazon is literally built off of how many people are looking up that word, and everybody goes to Amazon and they type in a word. So being able to see how many people are typing in what words is very valuable. So I love keyword terms. So if you're wondering why I use two, they both have different functionalities, but when you're getting started, you can choose which one. So Helium 10 tends to be heavier on keywords, and Viral Launch tends to be heavier on finding products, but you can find products through keywords. You guys will figure it out through the course and see which one you like to use the best. I just happen to use both of them because I go very in depth with the data. The reason why we need to use these tools is that Amazon doesn't provide any tools to us sellers, unfortunately. They take all the data and they hoard it. They don't want to give it to us. They don't want to tell us what people are looking for and how much products are selling. But luckily, these tools have found ways to see very accurately how much products are selling. They're off by a little bit, but they're very, very close. And then also to see exactly how many people are looking up each word per month. So they're very valuable tools. If Amazon were to give these to us, I would tell us to use those. But Amazon is a hoarder. So basically, our product research overall, we look up for words, and then we want to see what are the sales. Okay, and then we want to find products, and essentially that meet certain criteria for sales and certain, like what are the words that those sell through. So these tools help us do all of that. One other thing, reviews are important for social proof and to get people to buy, but reviews have no impact on ranking. So as we talked about earlier, it's what sells best through these words, not what has the highest reviews, because if you think about it, the products with the most reviews would rank for everything, and then no new products would ever show if reviews had an effect on ranking. So I'm going to show you guys kind of what we're going to be looking for, my criteria and everything, and how I use these tools hands-on and exactly what I'm looking for. But if you go ahead, we have links down there in the description for this to get some discounts on these tools. And yeah, I'll be using them throughout the course. You could choose one of them, you could choose both, but you probably just need one of them. But you'll see the benefits of both of them throughout the course. So yeah, on to the next video.